bitch, as I shit on your grass.
Woo!
You get sticky dog. I got the first dog that shit in on your hood. Dress shirt. What do you want, you big dummy? That's me. And after you PJ Castro shirt man. Just turn it like a sister.
If the civilized person doesn't perform his duty, what shall be done? Pardon me, dog, that nigga got it come from flat sweatpants. Check out his stance. See the side of the grill? You're like a cousin Lance, left hand, rocky, yes, rock. Yo, I think I did it off. You wanted crystal leather with the strings off. Now I remember. You can jam out. If it makes you green, shots of free wood near the water fountain. 7 rounds, 7 minutes, hands from his right hand. Yo, keep your eye on that same nigga from right here. Popcorn, spill him, no one on, let's play on go. Had the fly coochie, knock the low shot.